What up, what up, what up, what up, what up, YouTube? What up? It's your boy Mikedub, aka DJ Mikedub. Before we get started today, I need you to hit that subscribe button. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm at like 560 something. Trying to get to 1K. Get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway. Either Amazon gift card, Walmart gift card. I got a rear fascia light, like CVO light piece that you can put on your tail. If you're a motorcycle enthusiast or you have a Road Glider or a Road King and you want that rear fascia, you can get that. Or you can get a gift card. So let me know. But first we gotta get to 1,000 subscribers. So hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and hit the like button. You might as well go ahead and share the video. Hit the notification bell so you know when I make another post. Today, all right, so I'm confessing. I didn't film some stuff that I did on the bike. Excited that I got the bike, excited the parts came in, so I started putting the parts on the bike, but didn't necessarily film it. So I'm gonna show you what I've done and then skip to the part where I actually filmed putting the stuff on the bike, the stuff that I filmed. So what I put on without filming was the rear fascia light that I'm talking about. So let me show you. So this rear fascia light is what I put on initially. And this is also the fascia light I'll give away. It works perfectly fine, brand new, never seen the road. It has been on the bike and it worked, but I'll explain why I didn't use this particular fascia later. And also the bag supports. So without trying to show you how far I've gotten. So the bag support. So you see this bar right here? I had the bar that used to come like this and come up and over into here to protect the bag in case the bike fell. I didn't like the bar right here. I still have those pieces right here. I might get those away if somebody want those. Might be willing to mail those to you. So yeah, I already put the back support bars on, and I already put, well, as you can see, it's flashing, and I put the rear fascia piece on. Now the other thing I want to talk about or tell you about was when I keep commenting about my exhaust. So try to think of the best way I can show you. Hold up. All right, so my issue with the exhaust is it was hanging uneven, was this bracket. So as you see, these are brand new screws, and this bracket wasn't on. This is up under the bike. It's like mounted into the transmission casing, not the transmission casing, but the pan, transmission pan. So these bolts wasn't in here, and this was hanging down, and like this was hanging way down here, like this top of this bar. So that's what made the exhaust on this side look completely off. So once I finally got down under the bike and I was looking at things, I was like, wait a minute, this bracket isn't even attached, like the screws are missing. So I had to get a car jack and a piece of wood and put up under here and jack the pipe up so that the pipe would evenly move up to the holes. I loosened these up too to give myself some slack in this bracket, and I put these bolts with washers in and tighten everything down, and now the exhaust looks good. So you're probably going to hear me still make comments about getting the exhaust fixed. Well, I ended up fixing everything myself. I found out what the issue was, and You know, went to Home Depot. I called Harley, asked them what the bolt size was. They told me what the bolt size was. Then I just ran to Home Depot and got the bolts. My Harley is like 30 minutes away from me, so I'm not gonna run to Harley every time I need a bolt, nut, screw, or whatever. I can just run to Home Depot that's 2 minutes away from me and get those items. As long as I get the correct thread, length, and you know, size, bolt, screw, washer, whatever, zip ties, you know what I mean. So yeah, from here, here's the rest of the video. All right, I got the back end put together. These pipes are uneven, so I'm probably going to take it to a shop and see if they can adjust the exhaust system. I tried to pull on it, but it's not coming. So I'm going to have to end up buying a new back fender. This fender is cocked. It's too far this way. So instead of me having somebody hammer it out straight or whatever, blah, 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 I might as well just buy a new one. So, gotta buy bags anyway. Next thing is take the front of this off and put this weather stripping back on. My clutch cable should be in the mailbox. Maybe in the mailbox right now, I don't know. I haven't checked. New mirror. And we should be ready to ride. Go get it inspected. But yep, got the bar on. So this is too close to the wheel. It's not touching the wheel. It's just hella close. It's not even a ½ inch away. But it ain't touching. So you see how far this one is? So I can put my whole damn fist in there. So yeah, the fender's cocked. I can tell. And that's it. What up, what up, what up? All right, we're back, and today we're gonna go ahead and try to replace the clutch lever. Check it out. All right, so I kind of already got started. I got those, what they call pinch clamp removers from Harbor Freight. Here's the whole device right here. Man, you guys, don't buy this from Harbor Freight. Go to Home Depot and get the whole kit. That thing is so cumbersome because it comes out, like this comes apart right here so easy. Only thing holding it on is just those two poles, and this thing just slides off. You see it moving? That's horrible. But anyway, it got the ring off. This is what the ring looks like. Took me about 20 minutes. Pulled the pin. So yeah, I pulled the pin. Now I need to adjust the tension on the cable. And that's by that little cable right there. So let me see if I can put you guys down to where I can see, or more like you can see.
Okay, everything but the exact right. So that's first. I need to go get me another whole set of these.
Oh, that was cool. So all you gotta do is loosen this lock nut up and then spin the bigger one. And Hope y'all can see that. Let it go some more. Alright, so it comes out. I just need to go get my I don't know if y'all can see that. So when I loosen that cable, that allowed this to loosen up. I'm not for sure which one's the clutch and which one's the brake. They're both exactly the same. No, they're not. This one has not the same. I don't know. It's definitely not 100% the same, but I'm gonna see if this will work. Dang it. All right, so yeah, I ordered the wrong clutch. I just ordered the right one. I put the pin back in, but it's still loose. I loosened up the screws right here and right here and right here and put this weather stripping back on so it's not hanging down anymore. Need to make sure it's tight. Look, it's a little loose. And then, so the next thing I'm gonna do is order another shield, another windshield. And then this broke, so, and then I made sure the weather stripping was good on this side too. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at. Guess I'll see you in a couple days when I try to put the clutch back on. Tempting to ride it today, but I'm a hold off. I'm a hold off. I still need to get this exhaust worked on. I need to tighten that back down while I'm thinking about it. So, yep. See you in a couple of days.